What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you the latest news directly related to student loan forgiveness. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point, when we had this reaction from the range of resistance, and I've told you that we have very good range of support at roughly $4.76 and this range of resistance at about $5.14. Definitely it is not the exact price point, it is the range, the ranges of support and resistances, and that's why you can rely on these ranges. And for now we don't have a major price action above the range of resistance or below the range of support, and as long as this range holds, as long as the lowest point of previous price action isn't broken, definitely we are quite bullish and we don't have major bear signs, because right here we haven't established any lower lows on a greater scale from this price point on May the 10th, 2022. And definitely this price action is quite choppy. As you can see, we have massive movements inside these two ranges, and we have even breakout above the range of resistance, and we pretty much hit the next range of resistance right here and bounced back. And I drew this line on my previous video with the assumption that probably we might have some kind of descending triangle, but with this price action this range of resistance is completely eliminated. And what should we expect next from the technical standpoint, I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. Definitely the most important news right now is the student loan forgiveness. And we have some scary news. On the one hand, it is a scary news. And let me show you this. Biden's student loan forgiveness program temporarily halted by appeals court. Millions of borrowers have applied for the program, which would grant up to $20,000 in loan forgiveness for eligible applicants. And let me quote you this. The 8th US Circuit Court of Appeals issued the halt in a one-page order that will remain in place for a short period while it considers a request by Republican leaders in 6 states to block implementation of the program. The Biden administration has said in court filings that it wouldn't discharge any student loan debt before October 23rd. The appeals court order at least pushed back that start date a few days, though White House officials have said it could take weeks to process the bulk of the applications. And definitely this news is quite scary for a lot of people, because more than 22 million Americans already filed the documents for this student loan forgiveness, and the total number of eligible people is about 40 something million people, and this means more than half of them already filed these documents, and it is really important for them to have this money, because the economical situation right now is not so favorable for ordinary people, and this might be very scary for them. But how this news might affect the price of SOFI? In my opinion, this news has basically zero impact on SOFI fundamentals, because in general all of the negative news are already priced in the SOFI stock price, and definitely this halt is not the reason why we might see the headwinds for SOFI. The most important news right now that might be the pivotal point and that might be very good catalyst for this asset is their earnings report that will take place on November the 1st, 2022. So basically in a matter of just 1 week, a little bit more than 1 week, we will see the results of their Q3 earnings report, and this might drive the price of this asset. We don't know whether or not this news might be bullish or bearish, and that's why we have to be very cautious with any of our position. And let me show you another news right here. On October 19th, we have this article on Seeking Alpha that is titled "Buy SOFI before earnings. Surprise is expected." And the summary of this article is following. The personal loan market continues to be strong on debt consolidation and easily accessible new loan demand. SOFI Technologies is expected to capitalize on this opportunity by utilizing its platform. Therefore, it is likely that the company posts an earnings surprise in the upcoming Q3 2022 earnings on November the 1st. And the main idea of this article is that a lot of people want to refinance their debt because right now we can see very high fluctuations of interest rates, but the personal loan has a fixed rate. This means a lot of people want to eliminate the risks that are related to the higher interest rates, and that's why they want to refinance their loans. And SOFI can help these people to achieve their goals. On top of that, as you can see, this is the chart that shows the outstanding personal loan balances. And from 2012, the amount of these loans more than tripled to the range of about $178 billion. And definitely we can see this increase, and this increase shows the potential of SOFI's total addressable market, and it is really huge. So I have to say that this article is quite bullish. I will put the link on this article in the description below. But let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next from the price action? Definitely, as I already mentioned, the major point in the future that might be a catalyst is November the 1st, their earnings report. And until it happens, in my opinion, we will be hovering in these two ranges right here. As you can see, we hit the next range of resistance at $5.36 and this range of support at $4.76. So we might hover for quite some time inside these ranges, but in general, if this range of support holds of $4.76, we are more bullish right now, and the next target, major price target for this asset will be this top, this swing high of $8.5 with an upside potential of roughly 74.63%. And depending on your entry price, this range might vary. As you can see, we might have up to from 66 to 75% of potential profits, and this means if you want to accumulate your position on these ranges, you can do so with the stop loss, if you are a conservative trader, slightly below $4.76 mark. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't